Are you looking for the best cheap hoverboard of 2021? In this video we will look at some of the top best cheap hoverboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 5. Megawheels Hoverboard Self-Balance Scooter. If you don't mind the garish colors, something that plagues many of the cheaper hoverboards, then the Megawheels isn't a bad starter board, especially for children. It has twin 250W motors with a possible top speed of 7.5 miles per hour, and it should be good for up to 10 kilometers on flat surfaces. If you want to make yourself unpopular with passers-by, you can also play music via the integrated Bluetooth speaker, and there's a choice of 3 colors for the integrated LED lights. You can buy very similar looking, similarly specified boards for a bit less, but they don't tend to have that all-important UL safety certification. At number 4. Colorway All-Terrain Hoverboard. Not everybody has a glass smooth surface to swoop around. If your terrain is a little more rugged, then the more powerful, off-road capable Colorway may be the board for you. We're not talking military spec here, it's good for gradients of up to 15 degrees, and you won't get its 15 miles per hour top speed on an incline or on rougher ground, but its bigger wheels and more powerful motors make it a good option if you want to ride not just on tarmac but on grass or gravel too. It's also strong enough for teenagers and adults up to 100 kilograms. At number 3. Razer Hovertrax 2.0 Hoverboard Self-Balancing Smart Scooter. The Hovertrax 2.0 is the second version of Razer's popular hoverboard, and the firm was the first US brand to receive that all-important UL safety certification. The board's good-looking and made of tough stuff. It's steel frame coated in shatter-resistant polymer with bumpers and light bars. You can easily swap out the battery for a spare to keep on moving, and it'll deliver nearly 60 minutes of silent cruising at up to 9 miles per hour. It also boasts a very smooth ride, something that's markedly different from the experience you get from cheaper rivals. It's not one for off-roading, but it's a really good choice for urban travel. At number 2. Segway miniLITE. Segways. Remember the claim that we'd design cities around them? That didn't quite happen, but Segway did kickstart a personal transport revolution with its iconic, expensive and enormous self-balancing scooters. The miniLITE is a lot smaller and an awful lot cheaper, but retains that magical ride and reduces the large handlebars to an e-controller instead. It's suitable for children aged 6+, runs at up to 11 miles per hour and is good for around 18 kilometers on a single charge, and it's a typically well-designed and well-built Segway product. Taller adults may prefer a larger option, however. At number 1. Segway Mini Pro. Let's start with the numbers. The Mini Pro has motors delivering 800W, rocketing it to a 10 mile per hour top speed and giving it a range of around 14 miles in good conditions. The knee control bar makes it easier and more precise to control than standard hoverboards, and those 10.5-inch tires cope effortlessly with most lumps and bumps. The Mini Pro can climb inclines of up to 15 degrees, and it has automatic head and tail lights to stop other people crashing into you. Segway is quite sniffy about the whole hoverboard thing. This, it insists, is a personal transporter. Whatever you want to call it, it's a very well-designed and engineered product. It's not cheap, but you get a lot of technology for your money.